clack. All the nigga know is click clack. Get back, get back. Y'all pussy ass nigga better get back, cause you hard to hand, I clean you out. Dirty ass pistol all in your mouth. I'm from that 803, Southern SC. Bitch, that filthy south where they get buck and they get wild. Niggas sending shots in your mama house. It ain't safe no more. Better grab a chair and then hit the ground, cause I'm all in. Roll the dice. Bet your money, now bet your life. Thinking lucky, can't take my wife, can't take my jewels. I ain't got no ice, just Cayman bees on my neck. Bitch, I demand respect from each and every one of you suckers chillin' in my hood, poking out your chest. Y'all might as well lay down now. I ain't beans and I ain't Philly. Number ice picks a knuckle game. Y'all fuck ass nigga don't deserve the milli. Oh really nigga? Not really nigga. In my mind I'm thinking y'all silly niggas. On the other hand, you're so-called shotters, riders, sliders, boy you're nada. Let's keep it honest. My lungs too dirty to run, so when the bullshit and the beef arise, I throw them ones like it ain't no thing. Can't feel shit, I'm cocaine. Moonshine run through my veins. Let's get it poppin', man. And I don't fuck with lanes. I got some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Hot damn it, I ruined my brain. And when the old English mixed with that shit, I go insane. Every bit of ignorance creep out and I can't be tamed. No need for locks and keys, this dog gon' break up off this chain. And when I dumb out, mayhem on the fucking scene. Get seen, get seen, get seen.